Hey, what's going on, guys? Today we're going to be talking about how you can sell covered calls for passive income. Covered calls are often marketed as free money. They're not. But when used correctly, they can generate consistent income from stocks you already own. This is a simple explanation of what covered calls are, how they work, and when they actually make sense. No hype. No unrealistic returns. Just the basics. A covered call means you already own at least 100 shares of a stock or an ETF. You then sell a call option against those shares. In exchange, you collect a premium up front. That premium is real money, paid immediately into your account. There's no such thing as free income. When you sell a covered call, you agree to sell your shares at a specific price if the stock rises above that level. This means your upside is capped. You are trading unlimited upside for predictable income. Some investors like covered calls because they already plan to hold the stock. They prefer income instead of maximum growth. They value consistency over excitement. The option premium can also slightly reduce volatility by lowering your effective cost basis. Covered calls often go wrong when investors chase high premiums, or when they sell calls on stocks they do not want to lose. Ignoring taxes and assignment risk can also turn a simple strategy into a frustrating one. Covered calls are not a trading strategy. They are a position management tool. A conservative approach might involve selling calls on broad ETFs or high quality stocks. Calls are often sold slightly out of the money. Monthly expirations are commonly used for simplicity. Premiums may be smaller, but the process is repeatable. The goal is not to squeeze every dollar out of the trade. The goal is consistency. Covered calls will not make you rich overnight. But for investors who value income, discipline, and predictability, they can be a useful tool. As with everything in investing, understanding the trade-offs matters more than chasing returns. Slow, boring, consistent. Hope you guys like this video. Once again, we talked about covered calls and how and when they may make sense for your investing journey. Stay tuned. We will go into a more in-depth video as far as selecting strikes, deltas, expiration, and so forth there. Please stick around, like, subscribe to this video, and stay tuned for more content. Cheers.